So guys, this from the protest in yesterday. So many signs were being held up. The reason why I decided to show you guys this is because this is a potential for making sales a shirt. As you can see, they are holding up signs. For example, this one says guilty of loving America. You can put that on a shirt. This other one says stop the steal. You can put that on a shirt. So these are very important messages that people would like to buy on shirts because I think there's another protest again on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, but I know another protest is supposed to happen. So watching the news being in sync with what is happening is very important to make sales, to get potential words that you can slap on a t-shirt and sell. This one says end racism and cruelty. This one says we love President Trump. So guys, the niche is endless. There are several ways that we can get niches that people are passionate for, and they're gonna purchase over and over again because another protest is going to emerge. So let's get right into the 5 top niches for today. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 niches of the week. And at the end of this video, I'm going to release the name of the person who won last week's giveaway. We're going to do the raffle draw, random raffle draw, and we're going to pick one name, and that person is going to have a one-on-one chat with me. And if you're interested in seeing who that is, stick around to the end. So without further ado, let's get right into the niches of today. Like I said in the beginning of the video, these niches right here is very important because this is what is passionate for most people in America, especially those who are Trump supporters. They are holding signs saying this one is Black Lives Matter. I wouldn't recommend that you do. But if you see a sign that someone is holding, like guilty of loving America, obviously that person is passionate about. And besides, how I got this is I just typed protest in DC yesterday, and I went to the images section right here. I just clicked in images. Instead of all, I went to images so I could see some images that are carrying up. Those are things that are passionate to them, and I could slap it on a t-shirt. It's not even words will do, like this one right here, guilty of loving America, on a white t-shirt. You can put black text and black and red. I mean, everyone can do that. It's just text. So that's one of the biggest niches that I have to tell you guys today. Do some research, get some words, but make sure to check if they are trademarked or not, because some of them are trademarked. And how do you do trademark? Go to Flying Research and scroll down to trademark search, click it and type in the trademark search, and you're good to go right here. So our next niche in sync with what is happening in DC is I'll be back, Trump 2024 shirt. In short, most Trump shirts are selling right now. It's not just this one. Anyone that has to do with 2024, him returning, is really selling. This one is one of them. Priced at $19.99, has over 219 ratings, and look at the BSI right here, 46,000. That's really low. And this one shows that this is estimated sales, and it's not a difficult design, guys. See, when it was added January 7th, it was not too long ago. I think that was when the insurrection, the insurrection was January 6th, and this is January 7th. So it was added one day after the insurrection, and it has been selling ever since then. Look at that. And it has 219 ratings. Wow, not bad. So if you scroll down, we can see that it's on other products. It's on V-necks. It's on, and all of them are selling. Wow, except this one and this one. Look at that. All of them are selling. So if you have one design that is selling, put them on everything that you can get. And the royalties are not bad. I mean, for this person, the royalties are not bad. and the design is not too difficult to make. Just cartoonize Trump's face, slap 2024 on the sunshades, and I'll be back, and you're good to go. Wow, that's quite inspiring. All right, moving over to the next niche. Is this impeach 46? So we know that the president is having um, several squabbles with people being vaccinated, as well as people coming from immigrants coming from neighboring countries, especially Mexico, the Mexican boundary with America. So many Mexicans and other people are getting into the US. There are so many people at the border right now, and before, I don't really like to go deep into explaining political things on this channel because it's a really sensitive topic, and I always just like to leave it as it is. I might say one or two things about politics, but I just like to leave it on the surface. And generally, it's because of result of the vaccinations, as well as because Biden wants everyone vaccinated as soon as possible to curb the spread of C-19, and other people have the opinion that it is their right, it is their body, as well as the anti-abortion law that has been passed. I think is in Texas. Some people have is their body, let them make their decisions, which is true. You can't force someone to do something or not do something with their body. Let them have their decision to do it or not. Don't just slap a law there and you expect them to follow. So is this three things that are major disturbances to the presidency, the president. There are major disturbances to the president, and that's why you see a shirt like this trending. It says a pinch 46. So many people have bought it. Let's see where it was. Wow, this is a very low BSR. Okay, 2020. All right, so this was added 2020. Wow, it has been selling ever since, and it's still selling now because it's in lightweight. What is going on? Both sides will always sell pro-Trump, anti-Biden, pro-Biden, anti-Trump. All of them will be selling because the nation is divided as to the present happenings. People have several opinions and things like that. So if you're going into the political niche, target both sides, regardless of how you feel about the topic being discussed. So that's it for niche number 2. Niche number 3. So September is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this shirt says no one should fight alone. So it's like a support shirt for those who are facing cancer, like their family, or even the people who are being affected by cancer or survivors. All of them will be interested in this shirt, and it has sold 76. Oh, the ratings 76, and it's priced at $14.99. And here's the BSR 40,000, not bad. And estimated sales, look at this. So 73 or 53, and it was here since 2019. This is when it was added. So it's not doing bad. And let's take a look at the other products. Yeah, it's on other products, but I really don't know why they didn't add it on other shirts or other products. Surprisingly, it hasn't sold on other products, but that is what we should be doing, putting them on other products. So the next niche we're going to be talking about is Halloween niche. We all know that Halloween is selling like crazy. This one says, I'm just here for the booze, and it's this funny ghost with wine on both hands, with a wine of glass on both hands, and it says, I'm just here for the booze. And it's a funny shirt, over 54 ratings, price $13.99. Wow, this is a low BSR. 23. Estimated sales, wow, 127. And it was here since 2019. And here are the keywords you can use: bulls, funny, Halloween, ghosts, women, and all the like. And long tail keywords is what I usually go for. I just click here and copy to clipboard, and I edit what I want to edit, then I post it. The last, or the niche associated with Halloween, this next niche is dabbing skeleton. You know that dabbing in general is widely recognizable. So this shot that has to do with the dabbing skeleton is suitable for Halloween as well as other days of the year. And it has this orange moon at the back, and it has some grave signs. So it's a nice design. Let me just give you a tip here. If you want to target, what I've noticed is that anyone who is targeting holidays and goes for any dabbing, like dabbing Santa or maybe dabbing reindeer, dabbing I'm talking about Christmas, dabbing reindeer, dabbing Santa, or maybe Mrs. Claus dabbing, all those dabbing characters, they sell like crazy. This is one right here. Even a dabbing nom for Patrick's Day, yes, that one too sells. This one right here is just an example of that. It's a dabbing skeleton for Halloween. So if you're making designs, I recommend that you put them, or the character, if you're using characters, I recommend that you choose characters that are dabbing, because it's going to sell. So this is an example: 1307, 175 ratings plus, and 46,000 BSR. Wow, it's selling too, and added 2019. So our last niche for the day is this actually second to the last is this FUCKYOU. I actually talked about this in our last video, but I'm talking about it again because this one has to do with a skeleton. So that FUCKYOU, it literally means FU. I don't usually like talking about saying derogatory words in this channel, because YouTube is very sensitive about that and may demonetize my videos. So I just like keeping derogatory words out of this channel. Besides, it's a family friendly channel, so I don't want to say words like that on this channel. So the FUCKYOU simply means FU, and the reason why I want to talk about it again is because I found this skeleton is associated with Halloween, and Halloween is coming up, and Halloween plus FU is a niche on its own. So this is the reason why this shirt is trending. And there are other shirts like this that replace the skeletons with animals. I've seen one with a sloth, I've seen one with a cat, I've seen one with a mandala human being. So the possibilities are literally endless. So this one price $19.99, over 55 ratings, and the PSI, look at that, 34,000, and it was here since 2020, so it's not too long ago. So the last thing I'm going to remind you to upload to is this Hispanic Heritage Month. I was using Merch Informer for this. I just wanted to take a look at the trending shirts. So I found this Hispanic Heritage Month again. I spoke about it in my last video. I just want to talk about it again, that if you haven't uploaded in to this niche, you should do that as fast as possible. The price has stayed the same, but the BSR, look at it, it has been reducing, like falling and falling and falling. Now it was at 60, it rose to, or September 14th, it rose to 87,000, then went down to 52, 43, and now it's on 40. So the BSR keeps on reducing or falling, and that's indicative of sales. So we should make our own t-shirts if you haven't made yours, and upload as soon as possible. So I'm going to move into the second part of this niche, which is revealing the person who won a last week's giveaway. Here's a last week's video, and we're going to go to YouTube comment picker, put the YouTube URL, and click start or get YouTube comments. Okay, who is that lucky winner? Cha Gaba. I'm not sure if I'm calling it correctly, but congratulations to you. Love your laugh. Haha. Okay. Yeah, I remember this comment. It actually made me laugh when I heard it again. So, thank you for liking my laugh. Congratulations to you for winning this risk giveaway. Yeah, I'm gonna actually leave you a comment notifying you for winning last week's giveaway. For because what I notice is that whenever I do a video and choosing one person to for winning a last week's giveaway, I notice that the person doesn't get to me, even though I come to the video and specify that you can go to the about section and grab my email and email me. I think some of them don't get to see it or watch the video also. I don't know. And some of them have not gotten to me. So what I'm doing right now is I go to the comment section wherever you left the comment, like this one. I scroll down to the person's right here. Scroll down to the person's name, and I'm gonna reply to the person, because there you're gonna get a direct email from me, a direct message from me, and I think that's the best way, and that's what I'll be doing from now onwards. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about pre-on-demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.